Hey Pack, ever wonder on how to obtain your metal dream workshop? Well, let's hop in the DeLorean, let's go back in time, and let's start the process from start to finish, all right? Let's get it. Hey Pack, it's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings. I really hope you enjoyed the first clip on this 30 by 50 man cave bolt up to pre-engineered metal building. But first, let's go and revisit the timelines and the permitting process on this project. So what do you guys say? Let's get this tour started? Awesome, let's get it. So the journey on this building was back in early March and it was completed in mid-November. That's a 7-month process and we are in the city of Colleyville, Texas, which is known for its complex permitting requirements. Now, before we get inside, let's talk about the building's top selling color combination. It is our white and black. We use the white 26 gauge R panels that do come with our 40-year warranty. The white color screws are also a nice touch. Now, for our new viewers, all of our buildings come with color matching screws as a standard. They are an upgraded price, but it is a standard here at WolfSteel Buildings. Also, we do have a base trim all around the perimeter of the building. This serves for two key purposes: preventing water from seeping in and keeping rodents out. Because, let's face it, we aren't running a bed and breakfast for critters. This is a 30 by 50 metal building. It is a bolt-up, pre-engineered building, which is a very popular size in the metal industry. It has a 20-foot eave height and an upgraded 412 roof pitch, making the peak height at 25 feet. The building is finished off with black gutters, downspouts, trim, and the trim around the overhead doors. And we also have the black roof. Now, speaking about the doors, we have two 10 by 12 short carriage panel design doors in the black. These doors are equipped with color matching weather stripping on all three sides to ensure a tight seal. Our client also opted for openers, and it is important to note that when you go with these large doors, and equipment charges added to install the track system due to the building's height. Now, let's dive into today's main topic, which is the permitting process and the bolt-up process. A bolt-up is a pre-engineered metal building, and the whole process for this project spanned from late March to late November, roughly 7 months from start to finish. Now, for our new viewers, WolfSteel Buildings is a one-stop shop. We handle everything for you from pulling permits, site prep, concrete, building construction, and insulation, which is our closed cell and our fiberglass insulation. Now, let me share a little bit of a backstory on this project. The client had been trying to get this project off the ground for years, but the city of Colleyville's permitting process made it difficult for him and for contractors to move forward with the project. That's when he called us in March. He found us on our social media. Again, we're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. I'll put all of our social media platforms on the screen. He reached out and he contacted David from the Dream Team. He took over the project, and for any new viewers, we do have 6 different sales teams, each with unique names. Now, due to the city's requirements, the only option was to go with an engineered building, which includes our engineers tubulars, engineer weld-ups, and our engineer bolt-ups. Once that decision was made, David and the client discussed his needs, his vision, and our client did want a place for his price cars and a space to work on them. Once we had a clear understanding of the client's vision, we sent the details to our engineer. The engineer evaluates wind loads, snow loads, and the building's intents of use. This is critical as it ensures the structure is built to withstand local conditions. Next, the engineer creates a preliminary design that shows the structure, including where cable bracing and purlins will go. This is when we work closely with the engineer to make any adjustments, ensuring the design will align with the client's vision and stay within budget. Once the design is approved, fabrication begins. This involves custom design and engineering for the client's specific needs, including all necessary holes for the bolts, cable bracing, and the panels. Delivery and erection. Now, the final step here is delivery. This is when the materials usually arrive in a semi-truck or large trailer, and they are loaded with a forklift on site or a SkyTrack. Coordination is key here, especially in residential areas with narrow streets and limited space. We make sure to unload everything safely and place the materials in a spot that won't obstruct construction. So that's an 8-month process from start to finish, and we couldn't be more thrilled with the results. Our client's vision is now a reality, and we're happy to have been a part of it. Funny enough, David's sales team pod is called the Dream Team, and this project truly feels like a dream come true. Now, let's talk about the cool features on the inside of the building, and let's take a look on what makes this man cave truly special. As you can see, this space is for a car enthusiast's dream. It is designed to house some exotic and classic cars with plenty of room for customizations on his projects. Right? This is a high 20-foot eve height and 25-foot on peak height. Really opens up the space, giving our client room to move around and work on his prized vehicles. Now, the concrete foundation is perfect for these cars. It has an open layout, allows for easy access to tools, equipment, and storage. The interior is also insulated with our fiberglass insulation, keeping the temperature regulated and ensuring the space is comfortable year-round, no matter what the weather is like outside. But let me show you guys on screen what we had here before. Again, our client did go through numerous contractors. When we went out there, he already had some dirt work started, so we had to replan that and move the dirt work to Colleyville's city inspection standards. Again, this is a 4-inch engineered concrete foundation. We do have 12 by 24 perimeter footers and 6 cross internal beams. We also are counting with 8 2x3 concrete squares to support those car lifts. Again, he only has 1 car lift so far, but he is planning to add 2 more. It is a long process, but let's appreciate the outcome. Perfect place for all these cool cars. My dream car is that white Ferrari from Miami Vice. I think it was in '84. I always wanted to wear a white suit like Tubbs from that show. And that's a wrap on the tour pack. This building is more than just a metal structure. It is a customized space that perfectly fits our client's needs and vision. From the permitting process to the final touches, we're proud to have been part of this journey and bring this dream man cave to life. Now, whether you're looking to create your own workshop, storage, or even a place to show off your collection, we can make it happen here at WolfSteel Buildings. If you got a project in mind, we're here to handle every step, from permits, delivery, and everything in between. Again, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future projects. If you have questions or want to learn more about the building process, drop them in the comments down below or reach out to us directly. We're always happy to help and get you started on your dream project. Thanks for watching, Pack. This is Eric signing off for WolfSteel Buildings. I'll catch you guys on the next one.